Folks, today we're tackling a big job, replacing this plastic sink with a shiny new stainless steel one. We're breaking this project into 3 parts, so make sure you subscribe to catch all the action. In this first part, it's all about dismantling, taking everything out and getting ready for the new stuff. All right, let's start by removing the old sink. It's time to say goodbye to this plastic beauty that has served us well. Or not so well. It's like breaking up with an old flame. You know it's time to move on when things get too clogged. Here's a fun fact to impress your friends. Did you know that stainless steel sinks are resistant to rust and stains because they contain chromium, which forms a protective layer on the surface? So basically, your sink has a built-in superhero cape. Now, let's get down to business. First, we'll disconnect the plumbing. Make sure you turn off the water supply unless you want an impromptu shower. Next, we'll remove the old faucet. It's like giving your sink a facelift. Out with the old, in with the new. Once we've got everything disconnected, it's time to lift out the old sink. If it's stuck, don't be afraid to show it who's boss. Give it a good yank, and if it doesn't budge, maybe throw in a few kind words. Come on, sink. It's time to go to sink heaven. And that's a wrap for part 1. Stay tuned for part 2, where we'll start installing the new stainless steel sink. Don't forget to subscribe. If you don't, your sink might start whispering plumbing jokes in your sleep. And trust me, those pipes have a terrible sense of humor.